like I was saying before, these are the outdoor units, the condensing units, you know. Yeah, there's a bit of a noise, the place is noisy, so you might not hear properly, yeah. So this is just how we go about it. Let me start from this one. See the compressor, the condenser fan is behind it. Now this is the side glass. You can see the flow of gas through the side glass. This is our receiver, you understand? This is our receiver, and that is our oil separator. That's the oil separator. This is a pressure control. This is a coil dryer for suction pipe and the coil dryer for discharge pipe, which we also call the high side and the low side. Yeah, discharge and then suction. Then there's the control unit, you understand? This is what controls the system. See, this is what controls the system. The breakers, the contactors, the phase monitors, the relays, yeah, the timers and all of that. You have all of this here, connectors, all of that inside here. So this is what we use to control this system. I hope you get it. So stay along while I take you for a ride. Chris Code is doing this for you, so that you can be the very best of yourself. You understand? So that you can be the very best of yourself. We expect you to do more, and we expect greatness from you. So the moment you join our class, you are going to enjoy your stay. We don't just teach you on refrigeration. Teach you on even how to attract the best of customers. Yeah, best of customers. Now look here. Look at this. This is the control unit boards, you know. The trading floor. So this is for the indoor. I understand, the evaporators, the cabinets, all of them. This is where they are being controlled from. So you take a look, enjoy the rides. So this is what we did. We started installation. It took us 4 months to do this installation, you know. It's not been easy, but it's worth it. You understand? It's worth it. You have the displays here, you know, display.